At a house, and we're setting up the new Simpo, the 1075 edition, which is it's for 1075. It's a beginner's pole. Here we have the charcoal filter to the DI unit. Here's the new Simpo connector. Goes to the brush. We hook up the hose first. The other units will have Velcro, so you can Velcro it all on, or if you want to, you can pull this unit out right here and hook it through your first hook right here. This is the new lockdown hook, so it locks the third section in there easily. So we go ahead and put that together. Slides right in, locks down. Then you take your hose from the tank, slide it in there, and you could actually, if you want to, slide it on the other bottom unit too. Here, let's do that. This is the bottom unit, so we'll go ahead and slide this through this unit. Then you go ahead and hook up your hose. Now what we're doing here, this is the basic starter edition, and it's 2 6-foot sections and 1 3-foot sections, and it will get most of your homes, as you can see here. Now what we're doing here is putting the pole together, and now if you want to, you can bring it down, which is something you really can't do with other poles. You can go ahead and lower the whole pole if you need to at this height, because it's 2 6-foot sections and 1 3-foot sections. Forget it. Let's do it over.